Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to get the TikTok widget on iPhone. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. Since iOS 14 was released, you can now add TikTok widget to your iPhone home screen. Watch this full video to learn how to get the iPhone TikTok widget. Make sure you have updated your TikTok app. To begin, hold down one of your existing app icons to open a pop-up menu. Then select Edit Home Screen. Then tap the plus sign in the top right corner. In the search bar at the top, type in TikTok. Select TikTok when it appears below. Now decide which widget size you want to use. The larger the widget, the more you will be able to see at a glance. When you have chosen a size, tap on Add Widget at the bottom. Arrange your home screen so the widget sits where you want it. Then tap anywhere in the screen to save your arrangement. Once that's done, you will have the TikTok widget set up and ready to use. Depending on what size of widget you have selected, you might see trending hashtags or trending videos. Tap the widget to open one of these videos or hashtags in the TikTok app. So in this way, you can get the TikTok widget on your iPhone home screen. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.